Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in case you guys did not see my last attempt to wax myself at home, you guys can go ahead and check it out. I tried to use the Flamingo Body Wax Kit, and girl, it was a no. So I went ahead and did some research and was trying to figure out different ways to wax myself at home, and I found this gem, the sugar waxing kit from Sugar Wax NYC. I saw that Kaice Alea, I believe that's how you pronounce her name, she did a video reviewing this. She waxed her armpits with it, and she also did a Brazilian with it. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and what I'm going to try to do in today's video. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that red subscribe button down below. I'm uploading each and every day of quarantine. Also, I will be donating 100% of my June Google AdSense revenue to the Black Lives Matter Global Network. So go ahead and watch my videos and let's rack up some coins to donate. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Drop a comment down below with your comments, with your opinions, with your thoughts, all of that. Leave it down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a kit. I purchased this from Amazon. I will go ahead and link it down below. But inside of the kit, this is my first time opening it as well. It has 2 applicators, and these are like washable. It has a pair of gloves, a pair of pink gloves, and it has the organic sugar paste. So this is the sugar paste. The ingredients of this product, in case you're interested, are sucrose, water, and citric acid. And it says keep in dry area from direct sunlight. Do not refrigerate. So super excited to try this. This is my first time sugar waxing. I usually get like hard wax from European Wax Center, but girl, these armpits, this hair needs to go. The Brazilian area, it has to go. And also this wax kit says that it works on all body parts. So let's go ahead and see what the instructions say. It says the instructions are online, and I'm also going to grab some powder to use too. Okay, so on the package it says that the instructions on how to use it can be found at sugaringpaste.com. So I have sugaringpaste.com pulled up on my phone, and I'm just going to read to you guys what it says. So first it says your hair must be at least 0.3 inches, 4 to 6 millimeters long. I think my hair is that long. I don't know. Hopefully. Avoid visiting tanning booth, pool, sauna a day before the procedure. Always use gloves. Thoroughly clean and disinfect to the area of hair removal. Sprinkle it with some drying powder if needed. If necessary, slightly preheat the paste by using standard waxing warmer or candle warmer. Okay, so I think it doesn't say to warm it up, but I believe in Kaice's video she warmed it up. So let me just go back and double check. So I just went to check, and she had warmed up her container for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so also I wanted to know it comes with 2 pairs of gloves, not 2 gloves, girl. So kind of happy about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. And I did microwave the paste for 15 seconds. I just threw it in the microwave, put on 15 seconds, and let it do what it did. It's not really that warm. It's still room temperature, and it's still runny, which I'm going to show you guys. But you don't want it to be too hot, because then it'll burn your skin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean my armpits. So I'm going to use, this is the before, just so you guys can see. So this is how much hair I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some alcohol on a paper towel, and this is just what is this, 99% alcohol. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And also in my previous video, you guys were telling me like I should have applied powder to my armpits before I did the waxing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of powder. Okay, so now we have our applicator, which came in the kit, and I'm gonna like mix the bottom contents to the top to make sure that we have like a consistent paste. And then I'm gonna start off by taking this much. That's how much I'm gonna start with. I don't know if this is too much. I don't know if this is too little. And then I'm gonna go ahead and y'all, I don't know what I just did. I do not know what is going on, girl. Yeah, I don't know what I just did, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my armpit because I don't know how to take this off. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so some of the hairs came off when I was rinsing it off, but obviously I did not do that the right way. I don't have the time, so let me look at a tutorial. Okay, so I put some alcohol to clean it. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder again. That is a lot of powder. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of powder to control any wetness that may occur, and I'm gonna do it in smaller sections. So I'm gonna do like up here first. I'm gonna use the wax I had left over on the thing. Ooh. Okay, one came off. I don't know if y'all can see it. One came off. Now let me. Okay, another one came off. Okay, it's coming off now. Okay, let me see, because I'm trying to look in the mirror at the same time. Here. Yeah. Okay. Kind of hype. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in and take a little bit on the applicator. Okay, I think I had picked up too much the first time too, so this is how much I picked up this time, and I'm gonna ooh, baby girl, it's coming off. Okay, okay. And it doesn't hurt that much. It just hurts when you feel it coming out. Okay, so this is how much hair came out. And as you can see, like the first time I had all of that gunk stuck, but not this time, honey. Not this time, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to use this applicator with the sugar wax on it until it's not sticky anymore, because it basically just like pulls the hair out, and I need all of it out. Whew. I don't know if I'm gonna try to do the sides of my bikini, but baby girl, I don't know how that's gonna go. I want to do my legs too. Ooh, we about to be hair free. We about to be hair free. Hey, 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 hey. I look down because my thing is wet. Hey. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned my armpit, and baby girl, this is how we're looking. So this is the before on pit number 2. The before. I'm gonna take a little alcohol, not too much. We don't want to dry the skin out. To prep the area, you know, take a little powder. Like, I don't know if it's just me. That might be too much powder, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and take my applicator and ooh, oh my god, and take some of the wax. Remember, we're doing it in small sections, so I'm using my viewfinder to see what's going on. Ready? Ooh. This is how much we got off on the first pull. Yeah. Oh, baby girl. This armpit, I did not touch at all when I did the Flamingo video. So this one is like the real deal of like hair growth. The other one, we had a little bit of patches here and there. This one, first time being touched. So I'm gonna keep using this one until it's not sticky anymore. Oh yeah, I definitely used too much powder. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, so I cleaned off the applicator. I'm gonna go back in. So let's take about this much and get back to work. Oh, first pull, y'all. Make sure I got everything from up here. I'm so amazed. Okay, let me wash this off so we can see like what's really left to just cut. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed my armpit so we can see like what we really have left. But y'all look. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my applicator and dried it off so that we can go back in and finish this up. Clean my armpit again and put some more powder. If you're watching this and you know what you're doing, then let me know if I should be cleaning it in between each one, so I know for the next time. But y'all, look at that. Yeah, my armpit doesn't feel irritated at all, which I'm very surprised about. Let me give it all this powder just to look cool. And take a little bit because we don't have that much left. So I'm gonna do like here. I don't know how to get this off. It's good. Let me do it in the opposite direction. Right here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I rinsed off my pits and this is how it's looking, y'all. I am honestly amazed. This one I didn't wash off as well, but I'm gonna get in the shower after this. Look at these. I'm high. I'm so hyped that it worked. But that was basically me sugaring myself for the first time. This was my first ever experience with sugar wax. So I don't know. I might be team sugar wax now. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried it before. Let me know if you guys plan on trying it out. Once again, I will link the kit that I have down below. You'll also need baby powder and alcohol, so all of that will be linked down below, so y'all can just get everything and do it at home. Also, I'm gonna do this even after quarantine, okay, so that I can save my money. And yeah, so I'm going to try to sugar wax madam. I might record it, I might not, we'll see. But if this works, honey, European Wax Center will no longer be getting my coins. I will keep ordering this paste and I will keep doing it myself. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I'll post it, maybe I won't, we'll see. But before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, your opinions, and all of that. Comment down below and let me know. Also remember that I will be donating 100% of my June Google AdSense revenue to the Black Lives Matter Global Network. So go ahead and binge some videos. I'll have some down below, I have some in the end cards. But it's not just June videos, it's any video. So if you view any video on my channel, run them ads up and let's collect some coins to donate to a good cause. So that's all I have for today's video. I will be uploading every day of June. I put on my community page that in July I'll only be uploading 3 times a week, and you guys will see and learn why later on. But June, everyday upload. These are kind of delayed. I had a long week, so please forgive me, but I will be giving you guys 30 videos for the month of June so that we can, you know, stay entertained, stay lit, and all of that. So until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.